Hello everyone. We are out camping in the woods and Nadia is taking us through a shortcut to get to the dining hall for breakfast. Uh, yeah, you can see the outdoors. Literally, we are in the woods. Anyways, I'm doing fine. And yeah, we got through our first night of camping. We just pretty much unpacked, showered, made our beds, and went to bed. All glory to God that we made it safe to camp. And I'm excited. Day one. Let me take a step back and give you a tour of where we're staying. This is Camp Bette Perot, which is part of Girl Scouts of Northeast Texas. Based on my daughter's expert advice, being a camper for many years and being a camp counselor, we decided to stay at Treehouse. Now, let me take you on a tour. that's it for the tour of the Treehouse cabins. Now it's off to the dining hall for breakfast. Oh, wow.
Now let him go. How do I get
Do you want me to get him off the hook for you?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, hey friend.
Congratulations, Nadia, catching a fish.
Okay, so do you know how to hold him? No, I don't. Alright, so you grab him right here. And hold him just like that. Alright? So you thumb and my thumbs up.
Right here.
There you go.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh well. Yeah. Yeah, my hands are so full. Can I put this down so I can hold it?
Damn, I'd be so scared of the fish though. It's like going out of space and then.
That's your tongue, but I got me on the side.
Yeah, you're gonna want to put your hands right behind the teeth. The teeth are gonna hurt you just a little bit. It's not that bad. Now hold them tight.
How do you feel?
Strange. I feel so bad.
How do you feel, Nadia?
I want to let the guy breathe though. I want to let
Okay.
Okay. You can either throw him back or let him back in easy. It's up to you.
Hey buddy, you're not moving, Danny.
He says, "Let me go now."
Whoa. That was fun. I got it so far out there too.
Great job, Nadia. Congratulations. Nadia, first time catching a fish?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And second time fishing.
And second time fishing. Go, Nadia. Woo.
Yay, fun.
Congratulations, Nadia, on your second fish. Let's get close. Let's look at the fish. Oh, wow. Look at the fish.
Okay.
We have smoke.
Wait, are you thinking walking tacos on that?
Yeah.
And fire.
How do you put the pot on top of it?
Okay.
It's gonna be water, rake.
Okay.
Putting out the fire. You sprinkle water so that you don't make it muddy.
Fried oysters.
Still have
You get what I mean by I love this camp so much, Mom, right? So you get what I mean by I would live here. If I
Not that part. I don't know about